Hello, this is the read aloud version of the GoPro camera. So this will be number 47, the read aloud video of the article we see in number 48. Okay, before I begin to read the actual text, I'm going to call your attention to some of the different text features. First, I'm looking at this photo. Okay, I look in the photo and I look at the different things that I see in the photo. Then over here, I read the title, the GoPro camera. I'm also going to read this caption. It says, a skimboarder uses a GoPro camera as he rides the surf in Florida, USA. Okay. I also want to call your attention to, in this reading, we have paragraph numbers. So we see here paragraph 1, paragraph 2, 3, etc. I also see another picture down here. It says, okay, I look at this camera and I also read the caption here, the GoPro Hero 3 Plus camera. In the reading, I also see certain words are in blue to highlight them from the other words. I'm going to go back to the beginning and look at those words. Okay, I see attach, attach, vehicle, memorable. Go to the second page. I see shared, disappointed, at least, training, evidence. So these are some words that we will practice after the reading. Okay, now I'm going to read the text of the article, the GoPro camera. The GoPro camera is the invention of Nick Woodman. It is a digital camera that you can wear on your body or attach to your vehicle, such as a surfboard, bicycle, motorcycle, car, or boat. With GoPro, you can take photos or action videos. It's a great invention because you can take your photos and videos hands-free. The camera is small and easy to carry. Therefore, anyone, anywhere, underwater, on the snow, in the air, can take photos or videos of his or her most memorable moments. Nick Woodman, born in California in 1975, had the idea for a wearable camera since the 1990s. However, he didn't start to develop it until 2002 when he went to Australia with some friends. This was a surfing trip, and Woodman spent most of his time in the water. Woodman could take photos only from the beach. He couldn't take photos while he was surfing, so he shared his amazing moments by telling his friends about them. All the great moments were just memories. He was disappointed. At that time, you had to be a professional surfer for a person to take a photo of you in the water. That's why most surfers wanted to go pro. Woodman and his friends wanted to go pro so that they could get photos or videos of themselves surfing. That's how Woodman chose the name GoPro. He thought at least some surfers would be happy with the idea of their own wearable camera. After Woodman and his friends left Australia, they went to other places around the world to surf. One of those places was Bali. One day in Bali, Woodman's girlfriend, who is now his wife, came to see Woodman. She was wearing a beautiful belt made of beads and shells. Woodman asked how much she paid for it. It cost very little, so they went to the belt maker and paid him to make 600 belts. After 2 months, the belts were done, and Woodman and his girlfriend took the belts back to California. They wanted to sell as many belts as they could before the end of the summer. They sold most of them. Then Woodman moved back to his parents' home. With money from the belts and money he borrowed from his parents, he was able to start GoPro. Woodman thought it would take him only 2 months to make this special camera. In fact, it took him 2 years. He did everything himself. He worked on the product over and over again until it was right. He was the designer, engineer, and salesman. Woodman sold his first GoPro in a trade show in 2004. In its first full year of sales, GoPro made $350,000. Since then, GoPro has become popular everywhere. People use it in extreme sports such as skydiving and snowboarding to catch the most exciting moments. Families use it to remember everyday activities or vacations. Athletes use it for training in sports like football and basketball so they can review their moves afterwards. Police use it to train police officers and document evidence. Therefore, they don't miss anything important. Anyone can use GoPro. So today, Woodman is a billionaire. This is the end of the article.